What's up, everybody? Joe's Good Garage back here at the auction, checking out some whips coming up tomorrow for the auction. I'm in a 2016 Infiniti QX60, right? QX80. These things get confusing. Let's start her up. Ooh, buttery. Ooh. Yeah, this is kind of nice. Ooh, yeah, V8. Wow. Only 100, what did I say, 120,000 miles? Not bad. Let's take it for a little spin. Lots of buttons, switches. This is all four-wheel drive stuff here. Tow haul mode, snow. Got your infotainment stuff here. Let's see what we got down here. Heated seats. Heated steering wheel. Okay, power folding seats. Radio. Yeah, let's just go for a ride. Let's just go for the brake. Oh, okay. All you do is press it again. It comes. Oh man, this is responsive. Holy cow. It does have some tape on this mirror, so I think that housing is cracked. But other than that, this appears / seems to be in pretty decent shape. I've got to get rid of that radio. I guess this will be our last auction before the Christmas holiday. So that means it could either be super busy or it could be super dead. Who knows? I'm hoping super dead. I need a good price on something. Need a good price. Good price. Come on, flying Denali. This is a nice rig. I like this. Holy cow. Holy cow, this is fast. Ooh, man. Boy, that tape on that mirror is very obnoxious. More obnoxious than me. Oh my God. Wow. Holy shit, man. Oh, I see why there's tape on it. Anytime I want to accelerate, the mirror wants to close shut. It must, its little mechanism must be broken. Let's do a walk around on this baby. Check all my stuff, make sure everything works. Power tailgate. Oh yeah. Everything's in good shape. Not as much room in the back of one of these, of course, because they are shorter. But I like the looks of that Navigator, old school Navigator, better. But this thing is a monster. That 5.6 is a beast. And I like that. Yes. Trade in at Hennessy Range Rover Jaguar. Hope they're not disappointed with that move. Probably got them a new Land Rover if I was to guess. Oh, we got Hardys. Got screens. It's very clean back here. Nice center console with heated seats back here. looks pretty good. Good looking headliner. I have no idea what something like this sells for. Mid-teens, maybe? I mean, it's a 16, so it's 8 years old, about to be 9 years old. It's got 120K, which is pretty low for a 16. I just don't know. This one's got me kind of scratching my head a little bit. What will this one bring? I will say it is very nice. I do like it. And it still seems like the technology is like you could get by with it, you know? I know it's not going to have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, or look at that Jaguar. Ooh, wow. I know it's not going to have any of those great things, but, you know, it'll Bluetooth your music, backup camera. I don't even see blind spot monitoring on this one. You know, it'll be enough to get you by. All right, we got to see where we're putting this bad boy. I got a broken ass mirror. So, we will see y'all with the next one. Peace.